I took 3 trades this week, guys. That was on a Monday. I did take GBP AUD, and that gave me, over 80 pips, I believe so. And on Tuesday, I did give out USD CHF. This is GBP NZD over here, as you guys can see. This is when the market, was giving me that good run. And I gave out, the next trade was the USD CHF, but I think price took us out on a break even, that is trailing stop loss. Let me show you is USD CHF. I think this is it. This is when is it just a minute. Yeah, I think this is it when we took that entry, and of course we were taken out on break even. I don't know where the rest of the screenshot, but yeah. And yesterday was Wednesday, I did call out also Cadjpy. That was a good run, still holding this, guys. And I think the market has given us over 150 pips, guys. Yeah, that is 167 pips. We're still holding this because the target is this level over here around 367. In fact, should be over 400 pips. So I want to maybe take you through this Cadjpy real quick because that was a good one. I don't know where GBP is, but yeah, let's just talk about Cadjpy. All right, and show you when I give out this signal. So this is it. Oh yeah, remember, after being taken us, after price taking us out on a USD CHF right over here, here stopped out, but in profit, because of news. So then I gave them another heads up right over here. That was around 7:17 p.m. my time. That was August 14 right here, and I told them, you'll get ready for Cadjpy longs. This is it. So this is what the market was doing based on the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see over here, August 14, today is 15. So yeah, I told them I'm waiting for confirmation, and this is how the market was looking like on the 1 minute time frame. And I think 20 minutes later, is it? Let me see. I think, yeah, 20 minutes later, I said, yo, I'm in. So yeah, I took that entry, and just let the market do its thing. I think around 10, yeah, right over 10, almost 11, I told my gang I'm going to sleep, right? So right here, going to bed now. So yeah, so I think this is during the day when the market was doing its thing. I think this was 45 pips, and around 3:32 p.m. you see, boom, we had that. I think the news also gave us a good heads up right there. That was a good spike. So this is when we were up 150 pips, and you see, oh, that's another one, right? So yeah, that's a signal, guys. So yeah, let me just show you what I was seeing and why I looked for that buy position, guys. In fact, if you look at this market based on the daily, you might just see candlesticks and wicks. So this is how the market was looking like. In fact, before this big candlestick, we took this entry on this candlestick right here. Okay, so let me just show you. And if I hit this replay tool, maybe around that, is it? So this is how the market was looking like. Nothing. So there's no reversal to tell you where the market wants to go to. There's no continuation pattern to tell you where the market wants to go to. But then if we go to the 4 hour, let me just head over to the H4. This is how the market was looking like. So you see, interpreting this was kind of difficult, guys. All we see is just the market kind of moving sideways, and I try to understand this market more, try to look for either a bullish property or even a bearish property, because if we don't get any idea of what the market is doing, guys, the only thing we need to look out for is just bullish property or even bearish property. That is if you're not sure of the direction. Okay, so once you get any of those, because it's either we buy or we sell, once you get either of those, then just react to what the market is doing as you add more confidence. Okay, so yeah, over here you see the market basically is like it's in a downtrend, right? So when I go to the H1, let me just head over right now to the H1 over here. So I think this is where the market was. I think I should remove some of my drawings. Yeah, that is where, no, I think this, yeah, right here, because that is where we took the entry. So the only thing that I did identify, just look at this market, was this shape right here, or is that a pattern? I said, okay, this one looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Then I saw price went up. Okay, I said, okay, why will the market give us this kind of a thing? So all I had to do was just now try to, craft this, or try to draw my trend line, guys. Remember, this time around I did not, analyze this market by starting to draw the trend line based on the higher time frame. No. I just went to the H1, but then when I saw this inverse head and shoulder, that is when I started drawing my trends. So the first thing that I did, let me just remove this. The first thing that I did was to draw this trend over here. I said, okay, what if I do this, have this, then make sure it passes through that wick right there. Then I said, okay, that all makes sense. So if I clone this and I get a good level or price reaction on those, the upper candlestick, then that will be making sense. Then when I did this, then I said, okay, now that one is making sense. So the next thing is just to add more confidence. Right now, all I know is the market wants to go up because of just this small, inverse head and shoulder right there. And now adding more confidence was this and this. So yet we've not made any buy entry decision, but now we just see the market is trying to go up. So I went back to the daily, guys, to make sure that I'm safe, right here. Then now zooming all the way out. So then I said, okay, we have a wick right here, right? So that is when I added these support line. So if you look at this, guys, these are the trends that we just drew on the H1. There's this type of a pattern that this market was trying to create, and I was like, okay, this is like a bullish flag, right? So if that is a bullish flag, that is just another confluence that we just added. Now let me just take it back, then add this. So you see, now it's making sense, guys. Okay, all right, we have a first touch right here, second touch right here, and now a third touch right here, and we also have this support level right here. And when we go to the H1 that we did start the analysis, we've seen that reversal. Now it's making sense, this analysis. So let me just try to clone this, have it right here. That is another confluence. So you see, I'm now constructing this chart of mine, trying to understand the market more. But yes, I know that the market is giving me an inverse head and shoulder to go up, but I just want to be on a safer side, because sometimes the market might give you inverse head and shoulder and you think, okay, let me just take a buy, and yet the market is just trying to manipulate. The market might give you a double bottom, you try to buy, then the market go south side, the market gives you a double top, you try to sell, the market goes up. So you just need to add more confidence and to be on the safer side. So you see, we've now added so many confidence, guys. Okay, so if we go to the weekly, we're still adding more confidence, guys. We don't want to be on the wrong side of the market. Okay, so look at this. Remember, the analysis just started with that small part of the H1, guys, right? So look at this pattern right here. So when I saw this, okay, that just told me that, okay, I saw the market broke and now started creating this kind of an uptrend. Then I say, okay, that's another confluence based on the weekly, right? So if we go to the H4 right over here, I'm like, okay, let's try to identify the next level that this market or price might target. So yeah, we have this level. Then I said, what if she does this, because remember I said from the beginning, we have not seen a reversal from this support level to select that it's trying to go all the way to this level. So I said, what if she does this left shoulder, then now she's trying to go up right here, then that's when she comes back, then now breaks. That is now what I was trying to think, trying to talk to myself. Then okay, I say that's also another confluence. If we have that anticipation that price might try to go back to this level, then let's just mark that level as a resistance and have that as a targeted level. So if we go to the 15-minute now, let's go. Now we're looking for our entry position, right? Guys, it's crazy. So yeah, on to the 15 minutes now. I think you can see this inverse head and shoulder that we were talking about right here. Then this is it. So I said, okay, the market or price it is around this level. Let me take it to the 5 minute, guys. Okay, we are now looking for our entry position right over here. Now when I went to the 5 minutes, I also saw another pattern. Price is trying to, you know, respect this level support. Second touch, you see this rejection right here. So I think 1 minute gave me another double bottom right here, or an inverse, whichever. So yeah, let's go to the 1 minute, guys. Let me show you something. Guys, you just need to, you know, add more confidence, you know, to be on a safer side. So this is 1 minute, guys. Remember when I showed you that screenshot, the market had not yet printed these. Let me just refer once again. Oh, no, this is when I said I'm in. Right, this is 1 minute. So you see how the 1 minute was looking like. So yeah, so over here, just add more confidence, guys. Then I saw the market went up. Then I said, okay, no, I'm waiting for the last confirmation right here. You see, I have this level marked, and as you all know, I'm risking 10 pips. When I got my last confirmation, that's when I took my entry, guys. And let me just show you something over here. So before this pattern, guys, this is it. All you need to understand that all this is just another continuation pattern, right? So if price is giving me a bullish flag or a bearish flag, then you just need to respect what you're seeing. Then, you know, I anticipated a pullback because there was this trend that the market is trying to respect. Second touch. So when I saw that price at around this level, I told my gang, you know, I'm anticipating a pullback. You know, this is it. Where is it? Right here. I'm anticipating a pullback, so don't close your position, of course, when you see the market pulling back. Those are just, you know, market structure or market behavior. The market will never just go all the way up or even all the way down. It need to, you know, go up, down, up, down. So yeah, I was anticipating this pullback, and yeah, as the market continue printing more pattern, guys, the market gives blueprint. I'm tired of preaching this. Just identify what the market is doing. Once you see the market is doing what you anticipate, or, you know, if you took a buy, you see the market printing more bullish structure, hold your trades. If you took your sale and you see the market printing more, you know, bearish structures, continue holding your trade. But then if you took a buy and you see the market is printing a bearish pattern, run for your life. That is it. So when I see the market printing more bullish structures, guys, I just hold on to my position. You see, I'm just trying to follow along as the market is pushing, or, you know, doing its thing, guys. I'm just managing my trade off this lower time frame, just to understand what the market is doing. Okay, I don't want to get surprised, guys. Oh, I was holding my trade, then from nowhere the market just reverses on me without having an idea why the market did that. So as it prints, you know, is thing, just follow along and understand more. So many bullish structures, guys, bullish structures. You see, if you know about patterns, I think you can see them so clearly. And I think we had that spike. We had that spike, and the market just blessed us. Let me just show you. I think I sent this to the public, telling them how the trade was going. You know, I never gave this public, guys. I only give this to my, you know, VIP. All right. So this is how the market was doing, right? So this 354, when, you know, price doing amazing, and now remember we're still holding. Everything is locked, partial taken, you know, stop loss trail. We won't close our position unless the market takes us out. You know, just let the market do its thing, guys. This is a bullish market. Why will I close so early? Yes, I've seen over 170 pips now, but why will I close? Let the market do its thing. Okay, I don't usually scale in my positions, you know, because I just like taking my entries before they take off. So right over here, I see the market is, I call this in the middle of nowhere. So if I try scaling my position, you know, adding another position over here, the market still has a possibility, you know, to pull back all the way up to this level. You know, that means I'm going to be taken out. all right, or still the market still has that potential of going all the way up. So I don't scale my trades because of that. I just like to take my trades at the exact level or the key level, maybe this level right here. And once I take my level, entry right there, let the market do its thing. Wait for another position, take it right there, let the market go. Wait, once again, wait, let the market, take those entry at the key level, because taking my entries in the middle of nowhere, no, the market might go either up or down. Okay, and I don't see any support level that might protect me, guys. So I hope you guys understood and learned something from this short video, guys. It's all about being patient. And do not be scammed, guys. Check out my Telegram link in the description box below. And remember, I don't trade for anybody, guys, and I don't ask for any investment package. I won't text you guys. The only way you can reach my channel links in the description box. So until next time, guys, peace.